Alright, quickly in this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 important tactics that you can apply in any type of social media account that you are using, and it will help you to generate more traffic and, more importantly, convert this traffic to sales. Okay, so stick around to the end of the video to gain more value. Social media is becoming a daily trend, and billions of people come online to leverage on these social media apps. So you should have in mind that these billions of people that come online have several reasons why they come online. Let me tell you something about social media. Most of these millions of people that you see online, they care little or less about your business. These millions of people that come online, they are just online to follow up with daily happenings, to see what their families are posting, to watch funny videos. Let's take for instance, if you post a normal picture of yourself on social media, you will notice that you have more likes, more comments. But if you post about your business, you see less of people engaging in those posts because they're not really interested, especially when they know they're not going to benefit from it. Try as much as possible not to allow whatever that is going on in your social media apps to frustrate you. What you need to do is to make sure that you can generate sales from this traffic of people that you already have or people that will follow you in future. So let's dive into it immediately. The 6 tactics that you need to apply. So number 1 tactic, set your accounts appropriately and ready for business. Most of us, our social media profile accounts are nothing to write home about. Our name, how can you be bearing it's Miss this, it's your boy this? It doesn't make sense to me. It's not your real name. I mean, if you go to my social media app, it's boldly written there, Kosidumzy. That is my name. I've identified myself to people. If you are online, it is not physical. You have to gain the trust of people. You cannot be marketing to them and you want them to buy. When you don't trust yourself, that's why you're not using your real name. That is why you're not using your real picture on your social media apps. You should know the reason why you are on social media, especially when you are there to make money. Okay, so as you are there, you are not supposed to be using other people, even if they are celebrities, as your own profile picture. You have to make sure that your profile picture is who you are. Seeing me here on the video, you are picturing who Kosidumzy is. So this same thing is applicable when somebody clicks your profile picture because they want to patronize you. They want to have a visual imagination of who you are. So if you have a dog, a lion, an animal, somebody else's picture on your profile picture, they picture this that, okay, this is who I'm talking to. And when they see a popular celebrity or maybe a name that doesn't actually befit, they'll be like, there's no need patronizing this person because I don't know who I'm talking to. Now, people don't want to be scammed of their hard-earned money. You need to gain their trust. You need to build a relationship with these people. So the first thing you need to do is to identify who you are. Make sure your name is in order, your real name, please. Make sure your profile pictures are in order. In your profile picture, there is nothing wrong with you going to a studio to take a very nice picture or using a very nice camera or making it a bright picture. You can even use a flyer. Maybe give a graphic designer. Don't do it yourself. Let it be a professionally done flyer that you can use. It must not be with a suit. It must not. Let it just be clean. That's what I mean. Clean picture that is good enough and clear. Let people know that this is the person we are interacting with. This is the person that we are about to, part with our hard-earned money. Make sure your settings are in order. You cannot be marketing to people to patronize you and all your settings are on private. You just want those who are your friends. All those things are wrong. Make it public. Why? You are there to make money. Now, the second tactics that you need to apply for you to grow and generate more sales is building your audience. Your audience can be built in several ways. This is not a matter of pride or ego. You can even send friend requests to people. You can follow people. You can comment on popular posts. So what I mean by that is there is a particular blog that you might follow, a particular group that you might follow. If they are posting about a particular topic, I would advise you to comment intelligently on that particular topic. Now, when that intelligent comment pops up on people's news feed, somebody like me might just be scrolling on that particular post and I'll see your comment. I'll be like, who is this person? Can I know more about this person? I'll now go and click on your profile name. I'll now see those things you are doing. If your social media has been set in the right way, these persons, not all, but these persons might want to just click on follow or even send you a friend request, depending on how you have set your profile. Okay, some of us have set our profile to, once people send us friend requests, it turns automatically to followers. People can easily send us friend requests, whichever way you have set it. Okay, just know that when you have commented intelligently on people's posts, on groups, there are likelihoods that people might trace you to your profile. I want you to know that you don't use because you want to go and comment on people's groups to talk about your business or to post link about you or your business to those comments. Sometimes it might make these blogs to block you. Another way that you can grow your audience is through reels. Instagram, Facebook, oh, that place is very massive. People love to laugh. A lot of people are going through a lot. I keep saying it in most of my videos, and that is the truth. People are going through a lot. So try as much as possible to post entertainment videos that will help people to, keep up with what is happening in the world right now. Number 3 tactics that you should apply is advertisement. Oh, in advertisement is very important. In fact, it is the bedrock of why you are on social media, to market, to make more sales. Had it been that you have not been advertising, number 2 tactics will not work well for you, because when you go and comment on people's posts and they don't know what you are doing. So they might not want to follow you, they might not want to send you friend requests. So make sure that your feed is already filled with a lot of things that you are doing. Show up on daily basis. Do your best to advertise as much as you can. Advertising on social media is a blast. It helps you to grow massively. Now, when it comes to advertising as well, you can also create flyers of events. These events can be live events. Any business that you are into at all, be that you're into fashion, you sell bags, you sell clothes, you sell hair, you're a food vendor, you can as well go live. So the more they see you engaging in certain things online, live programs, events, you'll be like, this person is genuine. I can leave my money with this person. I can refer people to this person. So try as much as possible to host events, and in these events, let there be a flyer professionally done by a graphic designer that knows what they are doing. Okay, don't go and do it yourself if you are not good. The main thing is to build relationships. So when you build relationship with these viewers, it makes them more interested in patronizing you or referring people to you. Such way, you are generating traffic to yourself. Now, the 4th thing you should consider is creating a social community and engaging with them. The main thing about social media is conversation rates. If you can build a relationship with your audience, both old, new, and the people that are about to come in, it makes it more engaging. If I'm a new person to your profile and I notice that people are very engaging, I will stick around. I want to know more. So you should be the one to start it first. When somebody comments, you reply all your comments. Don't just leave it like that. It makes the conversation rate to increase. Post things that will make people interact with you, not all the time business. Post your pictures, post fun things, trending posts, something that might be trending. There is nothing wrong with posting about other people's entertainment videos. Let your post be entertaining and catchy. When it's like that, people want to engage. Right here is one of my posts that I engage people. It's not talking about my business. It's just, engaging them on topics that interest them. Okay, you can see the number of likes and comments generated in that particular post. So I apply this a lot. It helps people to keep up. Remember that when you post about your business, these people are not going to like it. They're not going to be interested. But it appears on their feed because they have liked your post before or they have commented before. The 5th tactic for you to apply in your social media marketing is leveraging on groups. But check the group rules. Check if they will allow you to promote yourself on their groups. You can also post unrelated business posts. They are not related to your business. They can be trending. Just post it on daily basis, interact and engage with people. About 50 to 60% are going to click your profile name to get used to who you are, to know who you are. Because in these groups, you are always posting things that are very interactive. You see it? Someone wants to just become your friends because of the things you post. You didn't even post about your business. It's not related to your business in any way, what you post there. But they want to know who you are. That's another tactic. You call it phishing way of trying to get more followers, and it becomes easier for you to market to them. It becomes easier for them to part their money for you. The sixth thing that you need to also apply in your social media apps is leveraging on paid adverts. No matter the amount of audience you have, when you engage in paid adverts helps you to reach people that are not within your circle current. And these paid adverts, because of the way it has been set, you as well can choose which location you want it. You can be anywhere and set it to be in another region, because that is where your target market is. Many people have utilized paid adverts and made millions of naira from it. The only thing is that you need to acquaint yourself with the right way to do it, because there are different ways that you can get it wrong and there are different ways that you can get it right. What I'm saying this is that there are things I've done on paid adverts, and this particular tactics worked better for me than this particular tactics. So even if you learn from people about paid adverts and you apply it, there might be something that they have taught you that is not really working well for you. I know that with time you are going to know what works for you and what does not work for you. In this video, I've been able to outline different ways that you can make it on social media marketing. Aside applying all of them, you have to be consistent. I'm not even just saying that marketing should be limited to your timeline, to your news feed alone. No, you can utilize your stories, your WhatsApp status. That's why I have this video here that can give you more insight on the tactics to follow to gain more views on these social media apps. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for you to keep engaged with happenings on social media marketing, because if you know what to do, you will know how to generate more traffic and you know how to generate more sales.